don't know how to cook? Let's make some salad with a Haitian delicacy. Everybody loves this salad. Growing up, this dish would be found at every wedding, every big party. There's no party without a salad. And it's literally so quick and easy to make. All you have to do is boil your potatoes, carrots, eggs, and beets, which I forgot to show you. Most people make it with mayo. I don't really like it, so I make a bechamel sauce instead. In a pan, I salted my onion, bell peppers, and celery, salt and black pepper for seasoning. Then I add 1 teaspoon all-purpose flour, 1 cup half and half. You can also use carnation milk, squeeze some Dijon mustard and any dry seasoning of your choice, 2 laughing cows, and 1 scoop cream cheese. Let it simmer on low heat and keep stirring it until the consistency is as thick like that. Then in a bowl, add all your cut up potatoes, beets, carrots, boiled eggs. I add some corn and sweet peas. Then add that bechamel sauce, mix it up, and that's it. I paired it with some ziri collé à pois rouge, this Haitian beef sauce, some salad, and banane pesée. Let me tell you, this meal hit all the right spots. If you do try it, don't forget to tag me. Now I'm craving this all over again. Bye!